angry. What the? A lot of stuff actually. It's so cute. Ah. Hey girly girls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sylvia and today we're going to be looking at some new cbeauty items. So I'm in my childhood home for the time being, so it'll be a new location, but there are so many more shops that sell cbeauty. A lot of local, not really local, but drugstores that we have here carry a lot of cbeauty and I'm so excited. So recently actually I went to this cbeauty pop-up shop and they were selling blind boxes. Honestly, it was kind of a surprise for me because it was the last day of the pop-up store, so I really got there in time and then I managed to buy myself a beauty box, blind box. I haven't opened it yet. So this was, I think, 40 Canadian dollars, but apparently it's supposed to have more, up to 130 Canadian dollars worth of products. So let's open it and see what's inside. And I also got a bunch of free gifts. If you don't know Malaysia or Southeast Asians, I feel like every time you buy a lot of stuff, they have a lot of deals going on and a lot of free gifts. So I got this free tote bag that's super cute, first of all. Then I also bought this set from Immortal because I had a $8 off coupon and I really want to use it, so I bought this and we'll be opening it together. And because I hit a threshold, so I could play a gacha, and I managed to win another tote bag. So many tote bags and also a hair band. And some of the free gifts included this stickers that is super cute and a cute little keychain. My lighting in my home in Canada already isn't very good. This time it's even more of a downgrade. I only have one little light on my camera, so I really apologize for the bad lighting, but I managed to snag up this Gogotails palette that a lot of people wanted me to review and make a lookout. And my favorite Florette style pencil, they had two different shades. One shade was literally just white, so I decided to try this one. So they have 5 shades in total. I have 3 of them, so really excited. But let's open this together. I didn't even peek at it. I was waiting so that we can open it together. I'm not gonna lie, I feel like I look kind of rough right now because I've been out all day and it's the evening now, so let's open it together. It's filled with quite a lot of stuff actually. I'll just take it out randomly. Let's start. Well, there are more stickers, but these ones aren't really cute, so I don't really care. Let's start with the lamer stuff. So there's just a sheet mask. I've never tried this brand, Tando, not really sure. And this is an Immortal sleeping patch, so it's just one little packet. We also have an eyelash curler. This one I'm not that impressed, but it looks kind of cool. My favorite one is the YesStyle one because we have the flat monolids, so some eyelash curler can't really get as close to my eyes, but the YesStyle one, really good. So hopefully this one can. And there's a body tone-up cream. I'm gonna be honest, I have a tone-up cream. I didn't think of bringing it, but now that I'm in Malaysia, I feel like I'm gonna tan because it's really hot here and I'm in the sun a lot. And I don't have any summer shade foundation. I have to use tone-up cream soon, or I need to buy like shade foundation because I know some people are gonna be like, your face doesn't match your neck. But honestly, a lot of the times when I was doing my videos in Canada, it does match my neck. It's just that the lighting makes it look a little weird because I don't have the best lighting. Okay, I actually really like them. They're cute, but I think they are long enough for my monolids. So yeah, these lashes. Wait, I'm so angry. Tell me right now, this was in the lucky box. Now I have 2. I'm so angry. What the? I would have been so happy if I didn't buy this and got this in the lucky box. If I got a different shade, I would be so happy. Now I'm angry. What the heck? I'm angry. That's some bad luck right there. Oh my god. Now we have some full size. Oh wait, there's one more mini size. I'm not really sure what this is, but it's purple. I'm assuming it's like a tone up cream, but purple. I'm kind of bummed about this because I was really excited that I bought it and now I got one in the lucky bag. What luck. I'm gonna be honest, my boyfriend chose this lucky bag for me, so if anyone's to blame, he's to blame. Let's look at this full size items now. So this first one is from Kato. I don't know this brand. I've never tried anything from them before. So it's just a little pressed powder, but inside actually there's a mirror and the puff looks really nice. I've never tried anything from them and I do need powders because my face has been getting so oily here. So I'm happy with this one. And honestly, I'm excited to try more cbeauty things, so I'm open to getting a blind box from the cbeauty brands. I feel like these days I've tried a lot of cbeauty stuff, so I'm not really as inclined because I'm more picky with cbeauty stuff compared to cbeauty. Next, this is, I saw this from in the shop. This is called Lee Member. That's actually kind of funny because member, but it's like Lee Member. It sounds like you're saying remember with an Asian accent. Lee Member. Let's see what it is. So this is just a highlighter. I'll be honest, I'm not the biggest highlighter fan. I prefer white, like matte highlighters instead of the shimmery ones. This is what it looks like. It actually looks quite natural. Let me just put it on my nose real quick. Super natural. This is okay. I wouldn't say I would buy it. I wish I got other things from them, but not bad. This one I'm pretty happy because it's Gogotails and I haven't been able to try a lot from them. And this is not a palette I bought, luckily. Let's see what it is. Oh, I feel quite lucky because these are kind of toned. It looks brownish on the camera, but in real life it's more of like mauvey, like purple tone than like the camera that I'm looking at now. So yeah, happy to try more Gogotails. And this is kind of like a pineapple pie. It looks like McDonald's apple pie packaging, but I think they're just puffs. Yep, so they're just little like puffs. I've never tried them before, so kind of excited, but it's kind of like, I wouldn't be like, oh my god, this is so amazing, right? It's all right. I'll try them. Okay, one, I think I know what this is. I think it's that ice cream lippy thing because it says ice cream lip case. The packaging of this is so cute because it looks like an actual ice cream, like I'm about to eat ice cream. Oh my god, it's so cute. This is super cute. I've never tried this brand before. Chiotor. Let's look at the color together. The color is not too bad. It's more of like, it looks kind of bright. It's a bit bright, but I think I can work with this. I would say it's more of like mauve reddish color. It's not super bright red in real life. It smells like marshmallows, and the texture of this is one of those blurry ones that I really like. The kind of pudding pot, kind of blurry type feeling. So this one I'm super happy and it's super cute. And the last thing here is a big size whole life eyeshadow palette. I'm actually super excited to get this because we were talking about the whole life in one of my videos before when I was talking about like beauty brands, and I've never tried anything from them, so I'm excited. Oh, I'm really happy with this. So I saw this the display and I was like looking at it. I was like, oh, this is a cute palette, but I didn't buy it or anything, but now I have it, so I'm really happy with this. It's got that some kind of weird plastic on it. I don't know why. And these colors are warm neutral. They're not very bright, so I'm super happy with this, honestly. I can't wait to show you guys and like go look out of this. Wow, I'm really happy with this box, I'll be honest. Now let's unbox this Immortal set. So I kind of know what's in there, but at the same time it's kind of exciting to open. First off, packaging super cute. It comes in a cute little knit bag and you can bring it out. It's kind of like bag, but it's knit, and it's good quality knit as well. It's like, so let's see what we got in here. Oops. Dude, I'll be honest, I really don't feel very pretty right now, but it's okay, we're just hanging out, right? This set, it costs 30 Canadian dollars, but because I had like $8 off, so I got it for like 20-ish dollars. Let's see what you get for 20-ish dollars here. The puff that I like, count number 1. Number 2 with different patterns. This is so cute. Puff number 3 with a bear. This is also crazy cute. Puff number 4. This matches the other brush that I have. Also super cute. Puff number 5 with 2 bears. Excuse me, 5 big puffs. You think we're done? No, we're not. Puff number 6. This is a different puff. I think it's a powder puff or a cushion puff. It's a lot thinner. I think this is a powder puff. Puff number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Puff number 7, and this is a powder puff. Also super cute. Puff number 8. This has a cat on it, and it's one of those like finger puffs. I'm struggling to hold it. Puff number 9, also a little finger puff, and this one's a cute little corgi. Oh my god. Puff number 10. This one is a finger puff, but it's for powder, so you can like in there. And if you think we're done, no, we're not. You get a cute little case that comes with a little keychain on it, and the color is purple. Super cute. All of these plus this cute little bag for like $20. Are you kidding me? How can I hate this? I feel like Immortals is so underrated, and their puffs are amazing. So I'm so happy to be able to use this. I feel like this is kind of a lifetime of puffs. I really want that like one, but like I have too much. I might share it with some of my friends or family here, but I'm so happy to have bought this. This is such a good value. That is actually crazy. Wow. I'm excited to use all of these. What do you think of the blind bots? Do you think this is worth $40 Canadian or not? Well, obviously I think it's definitely worth the money. I'm excited to try all of these products. Let me know which one you're most excited to see, and I think for the next video I'll do like try them out and actually give you my first impressions, as well as the other Gogotails palette that I was talking about. This is the color story I picked out. Personally, I don't think it's like best, but when I swatched it in store, it looked quite okay. So I'll definitely try it out and see what happens. It comes with cute little stickers. What the heck? So yeah, let me know which one you want to see and you're most excited for down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for hanging out with me. Follow for more girly beauty.